Okay,
Doug,
I've got a truck with a loot crate in back.
all right. Well, let's try to splash some of these guys then. So this is an overlook position. The ammo truck's going to be down there, Doug, and so we get a lot of
Oh, we've been
great.
spotted.
Yeah, let's go ahead and bail here. We should be able to see into there pretty good. And when Tom's ready, we should be able to
When it seems when it seems clear enough, I'll just drive in and steal the truck.
Okay. Well, I'll just engage when Doug tell me when you're ready.
Soldier, 300
What?
meters west.
Yeah, I see them.
Turn to formation.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Soldier, 300 meters west. Man, 300 meters west.
I have not landed a single hit.
Yeah, me neither.
That's all right. Just distract them and get them to come towards you. That's good enough.
Ooh, there's one. There's 2.
Smoke.
Oh, God dang it. Man, I just smoked you out, bro.
That's okay.
Sorry. Looking wrong.
Oh, NATO mortars open fire. We got to get out. Get to the truck. We're going to try to drive out of here, Doug. We have about 30 seconds. Tell me when you're in.
Oh, why am I
Come
so
on, yeah.
slow?
Tell me when you're in the truck.
Taking fire. Go. Fall back.
Yeah, I'm watching you guys. This is ridiculous. I hope the mortar wasn't at me. It's probably at you guys. Good job.
I think this is far enough away.
Enemy fire.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't see any other movement at the truck. As the map shows one guy.
I got my binoculars out. I don't see nobody.
There's nobody near the truck?
Go. Return to formation.
Truck
Well,
looks clear. It's
they-
funny, Tom, because the helicopter that you shot down crashed right next to where that ammo truck is parked. It looks like there's a guy in there, Tom, but we don't have eyes on him. Can't see him.
Did you guys drop a couple of them?
Oh yeah.
Nope. Not me.
Yeah. I got a couple.
Well, I think I'm going to be patient and let you guys reposition and take more shots. We're not in a rush here.
Yeah, it's true. With the radio tower down, we might not be. All right, I'm gonna move up, Doug, on foot.
Stand by. Stand by. Let me get a scan of the area real quick. I don't have my gun out.
All right, I'm at last good cover.
All right. I'm about to move into the police.
Do you have a sniper gun, Matt?
Yeah, it's a big, wide open space.
Go. Rally up.
So if we get
I
under
hear
fire, I'm just gonna
vehicle.
go prone.
I hear vehicle.
There is confirmed MRAP with a cannon on its way to the ammo truck location.
MRAP.
You need to
Yeah.
take cover. You need to take full cover, Doug. Get behind a rock.
Now, chances are he might just drive in, look around, and drive off. We've had that happen
Yes.
a bunch of times, so
Yes.
I'm glad I didn't make my move yet.
Remind about
Yeah. Trying to get away with that guy parked outside would be a problem.
go in your room and watch TV. Good time.
All right. I'll be AFK for 30 seconds. Here's hoping that guy drives off.
Regular trash glass doesn't go in there.
Go. Return to formation.
Is I don't know, dude. Actually, come sit here. Alright, my turn. What do you want to do? What happened?
Tell me if that MRAP drives off.
I don't even see it. Can you ping it?
I don't know. I hear it.
Go! Rally up!
Feel an ammo clip, I think. And there's an MRAP in the area.
We have a limited
Yeah, they put on the limited stamina, and it makes a big difference.
I'm
Yes,
back. Did he drive off?
I don't know.
Oh,
We're trying to figure that out. I still hear it, but it sounds further away.
Oh, cool.
What?
No, I'm just talking to my kids. Yeah, all right. It parked somewhere. Weird, according to the map. Oh no, it's not necessarily parked. That's last known location, I suppose. I think it's gone. Unless that's it. Nope. I think it's gone.
Form on me!
All right, I'm moving in.
Doug, what do you see from where you are? Nothing? Are you taking shots?
I'm getting shot at.
Soldier,
Yeah,
I don't
from
know.
behind to your right, Doug. There's
All right, I'm making my move. I'm making my move on the ammo truck.
I think that's the right call. You coming in via vehicle? Yes, perfect.
I'm gonna pay attention to which direction I drive this time.
They're off to the right.
Yeah. So
They're
take the
shooting.
shortcut home, Tom.
right up ahead!
At the truck.
I'm down. Somebody's got eyes on me. Oh, right here, real close.
In the ammo truck. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Soldier!
Oh boy.
Right,
Oh.
Front!
right in front of you, Matt.
Can't see. Out. Hit.
300 meters! West! Man! 300 meters! West!
Oh, no grenades, of course. Go, Tom, go.
Oh, he has the ammo truck.
Out.
Medic!
Oh, I was getting hit from the side.
Respawn.
Fall back! Fall! Rally up!
Oh, yeah, they were shooting me from over there. All right, perfect. Mission accomplished.
Maybe. I'm not home yet.
Fuck! Man down!
What is that?
I wasted a rifle, but
Wait!
Am I going the right way?
4, 8,
See the trailer?
7, 2,
Oh, I got 3 helicopter kills. Ain't shit.
ready!
Doug, the other day Matt and I did this exact mission and I got in the truck and I drove it straight to the radio tower outpost.
it was pretty funny.
And there was
we spent the rest of the game trying to get that truck, and we never did.
And there was an MRAP parked there just like waiting for us too.
We made that mission so hard.
I know, I would have been home free if I just drove the right way. Kill the
I'm
traitor.
gonna